Okay, now what if I want to see a specific port for the TCP? So we know that TCP is in layer 4, which is the transmission layer, and the transmission layer or the TCP use ports, right? So in that case, I will use TCP dot port. By the way, if you can see TCP dot a lot of things. So dot port, dot analysis flags, initial RRT, duplicate acknowledgement. There are a lot of things, out of order, analysis, whatever. But in our case, we will use TCP dot port equal, and it will be port 80. Okay, so I press enter. After that, you can see there is nothing. Again, if I go to the curl HTTP, which is the port 80, you can see that, yeah, we start receiving a lot of traffic. So if I go actually to the port, so if I'm using this time telnet, and let's go to the google.com, and on port 888. So here, let's change that to 888. You can see that, yeah, it start receiving. So actually, let's restart that. So let's delete this, and let's restart this, continue without saving. You can see that port or 888 not found. If I type telnet google.com on port 888, you can see that, yeah, it will start sending the traffic from the source, which is my laptop or my machine, to the destination here, which is the IP address of, or the public IP of google.com. And here you can see that it is not working, by the way, because this port is not opened from Google side. Okay, cool. Now the same thing for UDP, UDP.port, the same thing